Okay,
I
so we were watching Dan is Not on Fire.
and the Amazing Phil.
Yes, and we decided that we wanted to do this too. I need a hair tie. I got one. So we're going to draw blindfoldedness with
We're gonna be
eyeliner.
blindfolded, and we're going to draw cats on each other's faces.
Because we're great friends.
Yes. Those are socks.
I didn't have a blindfold. Wait, where's the eyeliner? I should have had that in my hand first. Eyeliner. Okay, where's your face? Okay, do you want the...
Yeah, you go over this way. Move my face. Oh my god. Get him. Ow. What the fuck?
Okay, I don't know. Whiskers. And it's gonna have a ball of yarn. It's yarn! Okay. So, this is the face. You see the kitty. This is the ball of yarn. Over here is the body. We got the legs and the tail, as you see.
Me
Okay.
next. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Sharpen the eyeliner. Sharpen.
Okay. Oh my god. How does this work?
Just tie it over your. Oh, I broke it.
I don't know how this works. Yeah. Oh, wait.
Okay, I need to sharpen that again.
Awkward moments.
Good. I really don't care. I'm
Do. Can you tie this?
Yes.
Because I feel like this is going to be a major fail.
Old.
Old.
What the? I don't care. Shut your eyes if you have to.
Ah, it's squeezing my brain.
Okay, go. I don't think this idea anymore.
Face? Okay, here it comes.
I don't like
Where's it's your cheek?
Yes.
Totally great. Okay. Cheek. Okay. Yeah.
What the hell are you doing?
Whiskers.
What are you doing?
Body. Shh, don't look. Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Tail.
Oh, that's attractive. I like how I used your whole face. You're just using my cheek.
Here. Use the other cheek. And where's your cheek? Is that your cheek? Is that your cheek? Okay. Here, I'm gonna draw a doggy in this one. Yeah. Oh, that was the... I would hate being blind. There's your dog.
That's my dog.
Yeah, it's like woof.
A dog. And what the fuck?
That's
A
your
cat.
cat. You'll see the head and then the tail and the body and the legs.
Okay.
And look at your dog. Oh, see, my dog looks nice.
Okay.
Well, that was a fail, and
That was an awful, awful, awful fail.
I'm gonna take the socks off.
Well, since we're a complete moron, I'll see you later.